welcome to A&B Heating and Cooling. Today we're going to be talking about an issue I spoke of in the past on another video I did where the entire house was leaking in different sections, the copper pipe. So what I've done now is I've used something called PEX piping, P-E-X piping. These are the fittings here. This is an angle piece, and this is my angle piece for the toilet that I'm going to use for my shutoff valve for the toilet. As you can see over here, we've already done some work where we had to bust holes into the wall and bring red and blue piping, one for the cold, one for the hot. So we were able to determine that. So what I'm going to do now is I've already ran the half-inch blue for the cold water for the toilet. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. Going to get this crimp piece right here. These are crimpers here. I'm sorry, they're crimps, called crimps. I'm going to put that on the pipe first. Next, I'm going to jam this inside the pipe. Next, I have a crimping tool. I'm going to use that. What this thing does is, as you clamp down on it, there's a white dot to indicate that you've satisfied the distance that you need to crimp the crimper itself down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this open end right here. I'm going to put it right on here like this, and I'm going to clamp down on it. Here we go. Give me 1 second. As you can see the white dot right inside of there. I'm done. I can no longer add any more pressure on there. All you have to do at that point, do that. Next I'm going to add another one on. Putting the clamp on first. Slide it inside into that fitting. And we're going to clamp it down again. And I'm done there. Release. Okay, that part is done. Now we're going to, I know I need this much clearance now to grab onto the flex hose for the toilet. So what I'm going to do now is I've already determined where I need to be. My finger here, as you can see, like that, I'm going to use my cutters now. My plastic pipe cutter. Do that. Again, I'm going to add my crimp on there, jam this in there, trying to stay out of the way of the camera, so you got to bear with me for a second. Voila. All I have to do now, I'm going to get a band to actually, to grab onto the vent to hold that in place there. And there we go. Like I said, I'm going to clamp that on once I'm done so it sits in place there, and once I do the drywall, that'll hide everything. I'll actually get a scutching plate to go over top of this to lock everything in there. It's that easy. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a ring, or you can email me at brett@abheatingandcooling.com. Thank you.